PPT presentation Friction, presented by Chris Karthik Sankar, roll number 26, class 8B. The force that opposes any relative motion between two objects that are in contact with each other is called friction. When two surfaces are put in contact, the irregularities ups and down of one surface get somewhat interlocked with irregularities of the other surface. It is this interlocking of irregularities that may be viewed as the basic cause of a built in opposition to any relative motion between two surfaces in contact. The opposition observed is force of friction between them. Factors affecting friction. The first one is nature of the two surfaces in contact, and the second one is force pressing the two surfaces together. Now we are going to see about various types of friction, such as static friction, limiting friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. First, we will see about static friction. Static friction is the force of friction that exists between two surfaces in contact between which there is no relative motion. The force of friction that balances the applied force during the stationary state of a body. Now we are going to see about limiting friction. Consider a body resting on a surface. If a little force is applied on the body, it will not move because friction force will resist the motion. With further increase in external force, body will not move, but there is a limit of developing friction force. If external force becomes greater than friction force, body will move. The maximum friction force that can be developed at the contact surface when the body is just on the point of moving is called limiting force of friction or limiting friction. Sliding friction. The force of friction between two objects when one of them is sliding over the surface of the other, as the force of sliding friction between them. Sliding friction is a little smaller than the static friction between the same two surfaces. Rolling friction. The force of friction that comes into play when one body rolls over the surface of another body. Rolling friction is much less than the force of sliding friction. limiting friction is greater than static friction, is greater than sliding friction, is greater than rolling friction. Fluid friction. When an object moves through air, the air also exerts a force of friction, even though air itself is very light and thin. This friction is also known as air resistance. This air resistance opposes the motion of objects through it. Like air, water and the other liquids also exerts a force of friction when objects move through them. The force of fluid friction on an object in a fluid depends on nature of fluid, shape of the moving object and speed of the moving object with respect to the fluid.